Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to sign in and set up mobile Teams once you've gotten a message by email. So here we are, you've just received an email invite to Teams, and so let's go to that email and see how you sign in. Here we are on the email on an Android device. So we're going to select the web address. Make sure it's all selected, and then open in our web browser. From there, that goes to the website for Teams, sent by the invite. That's a temporary message you sometimes get. And here's our invite. So now we click on the download button because we need to install Teams on our Android device. Same procedure for if you have an iPhone. In Android, it opens up the Play Store. Microsoft Teams is selected, so now we click on the Install button and wait for the first part of the magic. And this we will speed up a bit so you don't have to wait for it. Now that it's completely downloaded, it will install. And now we need to open Microsoft Teams by tapping on the Open button. Sometimes it'll bounce back to the store. Just tap on Open again. And now we need to get started by creating a new account for Microsoft. If you have an Outlook or MSN address that you've already registered with Microsoft, then use that. If not, I have a new email that I've created here so you can see the process. And so we're going to enter the email to create a new Microsoft account. So this can be your Gmail account, Yahoo, whatever it is that you're using. In this case, it's a temporary email I've created for richard.thor@betterviewsoftware.com. So now we need to create a free account. Now Microsoft is going to confirm that we want to create a new account. Tap on Next. And enter first name and last name. Next button again. Now it wants your birth date. And I've just blurred this out for security reasons. But you enter your usual year, month, and day for your birthday. And now it's going to send you an email with a code to check that you've entered the correct email. This avoids typing errors. So we're opening up Gmail again, which is the email program in this case. And there's the welcome email. Bounce back to the email list by hitting the back arrow, and there's our verify your email address Microsoft account team. So we just select the code, copy it, do that by a long press, by the way, and now do a long press on enter code and paste. Optionally, you can click that you want to hear from Microsoft and family, blah blah blah. Next button. And we're almost done creating the account. Now what it wants to do is have you solve a puzzle to make sure that you are a real person. And what they do now is they have a hand pointing in a direction, and you have to rotate the picture so that it points in the same direction as well. And it will ask you to do this usually 2 or 3 times. So there's the first one completed, so it's creating the account. Now it wants us to do a puzzle one more time. So again, point it to the left and slightly down. Submit button, once you get the right arrow direction, I mean. There we go, verification completed again. Okay, so there's a few little things that you can read since you've created your new account. We continue. Now we're ready to sign into Microsoft Teams. Just have to hit the next button there. And there we are. So welcome to Teams. We have a little bit, you say okay. We're going to set up our profile. What we did is edit the image at the top, and it's saying that it will want to, open the photo library in the camera. So we tap camera, hit the allow, and it's selfie time. I'm just going to position to get a reasonably good picture. And there we are, picture's been taken. We'll accept that. And now we have a profile photo, which is really great for being able to identify people easily. I usually sync my contacts on all devices, say allow, so that way if somebody else is on Teams, it'll be easier to find them. Now, here's the initial join. So we have to hit the request to join button to join the ALJCC group. Now the request has been sent, and now you have to wait for an administrator to accept that request and send you back an approval. And this may take some time, but after it's done, there you are. You're part of the ALJCC group, and we have our welcome screen. And there's the different groups, announcements, board members, praise and prayer, women of grace. Again, that'll create, we'll be creating a bit more. There's your calendar, and we're going to tap on the chat button. And it's just the same way as if you want to chat with somebody on Facebook Messenger. Pick a name, type a message, hit the little airplane to send it. And now we're in chat mode. And just wait for a reply. And we can see when the other person is typing. And when they send it, there we go. Welcome to the team. So that's it for this part. We'll show you a little bit more about how to use it in a future video. Thank you and God bless.